Welcome to our tutorial on how to add your country on Instagram. Follow these steps to update your country information. To begin, open the Instagram app on your Android phone. Once the app is launched, you'll be ready to proceed with updating your country details. Next, locate and tap on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will direct you to your profile page. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile option and tap on it. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Within the Edit Profile section, find and tap on Contact Options. This will lead you to the section where you can manage your contact details. In the Contact Options section, locate and tap on Business Address. This is where you can input your address information. Type your address into the provided field, and once you are done, tap on the check icon to confirm and save the changes you have made. Updating your country information on Instagram is essential for providing accurate details and enhancing your profile visibility. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that your Instagram profile reflects the correct country information. Customize your account to better connect with your audience and showcase your location accurately. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add your country on Instagram. Enjoy updating your profile with the correct country details for a more personalized experience on the platform.